Hey guys, it's Lifestylediyw. It's Nikki here with another flipping decor. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my videos, and also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Watch to the end for a quick DIY. Now let's get started. So I wanted to create a farmhouse seaside table decor, something a little nautical but patriotic as well. And so I got a few items from Dollar General, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree. And for this decor theme, I really wanted to include that farmhouse nautical feel. And so I got these napkins from Target and I made them into curtains. I made them into a few other things. I also found those hyacinth chargers that you see here. And I added those little touches of stars from the Dollar Tree LED lights to the napkin ring holders, which are also a DIY, and they should be on my channel. And look, here's a quick video to show you how I did it. And my table, I believe, came out so amazing, guys. So I wanted to use a table runner, but then I thought it was too much. And that fishnet really gave me a great way to tie it all together. And one of my favorite things about this decor is that buffalo plaid. Those napkins, that pillow, especially my curtains, really gave me a calming and country farmhouse feel. So I wanted to just add little touches here and there that will really create both a nautical farmhouse and also that seaside feeling, especially around the Memorial Day holiday when I created this tablescape. So you'll see little touches here and there as you watch in the video of all the things that I got from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Target, even maybe some Marshall stuff on the table. But I believe that it was so good to put these themes together and really create a very nice feel to my tablescape for the end of May and going into June. For the main centerpiece, I used the trio candle holder from Dollar General, and I added some sand from Dollar Tree and a candle to give it just a quick pop. Here's a better look at how the candle trio turned out. I found this Home Sweet Home pillow at the Target Dollar Spot, and I was so happy to add it to my table decor. Now, I made these bandana curtains. As you see here, I got 6 bandanas from Target, and look how they turned out. So cute, you guys. So beautiful. I even got an anchor tray. And look how I decorated it on my windowsill. And yes, I will be painting that pot. I did a little quick DIY and added a nautical rope to a vase along with the anchor. I also added some Dollar Tree greenery, which gave it a nice seaside feel. Oh, this looks very beautiful to me. I also had some rolled Target Magnolia line kitchen towels that I added to those TJ Maxx plates that you see. And here's a full look at how the table looks from the side. Wow, guys. Such an amazing decor. I'm so happy I done it. Thank you for watching. And hey, wait a minute. Tune in because I have a flipping decor DIY coming up for you right now. So make sure you stay watching. I created my DIY lamp or lantern that you saw on the table very easily. I didn't need anything but, a ruler, some Jenga pieces from Dollar Tree, some wood glue, a little bit of E6000, and some nautical rope to create this simple and easy lantern as you see here. All the instructions to make this lantern are in this video, so please make sure you watch and you follow or make it your own. Just let me know if you've created it. Follow me on Instagram at Lifestylediyw. But this lantern to me was the cutest thing I've ever made with those Jenga pieces. Look how it turned out. And here's the look of it on the table. And I actually added some Dollar Tree deco balls, as you see here in that little mini video above. But I think it definitely tied so well with the decor on the table. So thank you guys for watching Lifestylediyw.